Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to clear the caches on Windows 11 and clean your PC and laptop. So how can do this? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, first method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your storage, go to your temporary files, click on remove files and click continue yes. The second method is that in the search box type a run and type a percentage temp percentage and press OK. After that, select these all folders and delete it. Now once again type run and type a command is temp and open it and delete all these files. Now once again open and run and type a prefetch. Select these all files and delete it and close it. After that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this set, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.